Dorian, we're here in the Weber plant. Tell us what is so specific about this plant. How does it contribute to the comfort for all?
So during the summer, temperature is going very high. Before, the palletization was made by hand. So it was time consuming, it was not comfortable. So 6 years ago, we did modernize the line, and the 3 robots clearly improved the comfort of work for our team.
Yep.
It's also improved the performance of the plant overall.
All right. Shall we make a tour?
Yes, let's go.
I follow you.
This is the product I wanted to show you. Weber is market leader in tile adhesive in UAE. And this is one of our bestseller products. It's improved tile adhesive. It's called Weber Cold Premium.
Okay.
Usually, the bags, they are 25 kg. Our team of scientists, they found a way to make it lightweight.
Aha.
And now the bags, they are 15 kg, I will show you. 15 kg with the same coverage of 25 kg, so better yield and better comfort for the workers on site.
Wow.
And this is also reducing our embodied carbon by 20%.
Impressive.
Yeah.